Well, Rachel Fiset is a criminal attorney who has been following this case closely. She's in Los Angeles. Rachel, thank you very much for joining us now. Can we just start by asking you how the jury came to the conclusion to acquit Kyle Rittenhouse?
Well, under the law in Wisconsin, the prosecution had the burden to show that Kyle Rittenhouse did not believe that he was acting in self-defense and that he believed that he would be killed or it was in grave bodily danger, and that's why he shot. So the prosecution did not meet their burden to show what Kyle Rittenhouse believed at the time that he shot the gun.
Why was there some criticism of the judge during proceedings?
The judge started the trial by not allowing the prosecution to refer to the dead victims as victims. He insisted that the prosecution refer to them as looters or rioters, which in the very beginning sets up a tone as to what was going on the night of the shooting. And referring to them as looters or rioters begins the jury's deliberation thoughts that Kyle Rittenhouse had to protect himself from these people. So little decisions like that along the way throughout the trial really appeared to be biased towards the defense.
And can there be any more criminal cases after this?
There cannot be. That would be double jeopardy. Once a defendant is acquitted of murder in the United States, they are not allowed to be charged for the same crime again. Kyle Rittenhouse is free.
And do you think, as some people have said, that the result could have been different if this trial had been held in another state, New York or California, for example?
Well, the self-defense laws are a little bit different in each state. And in Wisconsin, the law was a bit less clear as it relates to what has to happen in order for someone to feel they have to defend themselves. That is one issue. The other issue would be your jury pool. And as the judge appeared to be sympathetic to the defendant in this case, the jury pool is more likely in Kenosha, Wisconsin, than in a more liberal state like California or New York, where there's more gun control to acquit the defendant. So yes, jury pool and slight differences in state laws would make a very big difference as to what happened here. As you can tell by the jury's deliberating for over 24 hours, this was certainly not an easy decision for them to make.
And do you think this could affect live TV trials going forward? The judge didn't seem to be a fan by the end of it.
No, I think that it was important to show what happened inside of the courtroom. It could, in cases like this, judges may be more inclined to be stricter as it relates to media in the courtroom. But this has been going on for a long time here, and I think that they will continue to be broadcast in certain instances.
Rachel Fiset, thank you so much for explaining that so clearly to us.
Thank you.